Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a great day. It's a beautiful day. Look at the greenery behind me. So आज जा रहे हैं हम मतलब मैं कहाँ जा रहे हैं? So that is a beautiful place जो मतलब in the Scotland of India. That is in Meghalaya. So चलिए शुरू करते हैं आज का वीडियो. Let's go and I'll take you guys on this beautiful trip with me. Let's go. This is Wards Lake. अभी चेरी ब्लॉसम का समय है. थोड़ा चेरी ब्लॉसम भी दिखाएंगे आप लोग को. और इट्स अ सनी डे. बैग लेके घुस गए हैं और सब लोग मेरे को ही देख रहे हैं. ये कहाँ से आ गया? ओह, ये व्यू देखिए. सब लोग ब्लॉग कर रहे हैं, मैं भी ब्लॉग कर रहा हूँ. और I'll be showing you guys the beauty of this place. Chalo, enjoy some cinematic view. So guys, Wards Lake is done. Now I'll be going to WAH-KABA. WAH-KABA जगह में जाएंगे. वहाँ पे टेंट वगैरह है. सब दिखाएंगे आप लोग को. बस सब्र करिए. Mother Nature, here we come. Guys, I have reached the WAH-KABA campsite that I was talking about. Those are the tents. I'll show you guys in details, but as of now I just reached and just embracing the sunset. Look at the vibe, the silence. It's amazing, right? So guys, this is my tent where I'll stay, and you can trek all the way down there and there go up till there. You can have lunch and restaurants are there actually. And look at this view, guys. So guys, this is my tent. I've parked my bike here. So I'll be showing you the room. So this is Miley here, and this is the room. This room is about like 2100, 2200, 2100. It's negotiable. They provide warm water also if you want. There will be bonfire after around 8 o'clock. So this is a nice cozy place to be here. Getting too cold out here. Just there are around 5 tents here. The washroom is here, and it's a good washroom. And apart from that, you can go have lunch, dinner there. Or if you guys like tell them to bring your lunch or dinner here in the room, they will bring it here, and we'll be doing our bonfire here. And rest I'll show you guys later. As of now, I'm so tired and I just want to sleep now. guys, now I'm going to the WAH-KABA Waterfall. So where the tent is, nearby to that, there are staircases. We have to go down there, and there is a waterfall out there, and it's so cold out here, so cold. Hello guys, it's a great day, it's a beautiful day. Good morning. I'm here for the breakfast that is complimentary with the WAH-KABA tent, and we'll be having breakfast here, and after that I'll be going to Dawki, and Niyom is the manager here. Yeah, right. So I have a YouTube channel, so okay. Yeah, I'll definitely put everything on the description. Okay, we'll start the journey today. It's a blue sky day today. Start the Miley is also here. Miley is also here. Let's go. Hi Miley. It's a baby or what? It's a baby. So guys, breakfast हो गया है. पूरी सब्जी और अंडा खाए आराम से एकदम. सब complimentary है. So that will be included in that 21 or 2200. Yeah. And now as I have said, I am off to Dawki, and you can see the beautiful cherry blossom behind me. Look at this. Awesome, right? You guys should definitely come here in November, because December में भी आपको नहीं मिलेगा, सिर्फ November को मिलेगा. तो ध्यान रखिए इस बात को. और अभी मैं निकल रहा है एकदम Dawki की ओर. Just I can't stop embracing this cherry blossoms, you know, guys. So beautiful. I've reached Dawki. You can see the crystal clear water. I think we can see Bangladesh border from here. See about the boating prices and all. Guys, so सीढ़ी उतरना पड़ेगा. उतर के यहाँ पे bookings करना पड़ता है. Boating के लिए बोल रहे हैं ये लोग 800. घुमाएंगे for 45 minutes. After that, let's show you guys how it goes. Boat ले लिया है. अभी जा रहे हैं Bangladesh border. So guys, this side is India and this side is Bangladesh. These people are from Bangladesh. We can just go till here and we have to come back. And now we are going to the island. Guys, this is Khasi Hills and this side is Jayantia Hills. So you have to cross the bridge to get to the border. See this. Oh wow. So guys, this is the island they were talking about. पूरा पत्थर वाला आइलैंड है. ड्रोन उड़ा रहा है. कोई नहीं, मैं भी खरीदूंगा. थोड़ा दिन, थोड़ा सब्र, थोड़ा और ग्रो हो लेते हैं यूट्यूब में. सब लेंगे भाईजान, सब लेंगे. अभी थोड़ा So guys, This is the island.
So now I have reached Cheerapunjee Resort. This is a cafe, plus you can also stay here, but it's costly out here.
Oh, our food is here. Yummy. Guys, खाना तो हो गया है. These are the cottages where the price is 4,200 for each cottage, and those are the tents where it's 3,700. So it's quite costly, but yeah, the cafe is here. You might get like good ambience, right? And the cafe is good overall. So the trip was very good. I hope you guys like my video. I'm sure I had given much information in this video, and see you guys next time on another vlog. And please do support, please do give me love, and I'll make sure to give much more contents like this. And here in the nature, Jaunty Vlogs signing off.